If you have been following this channel, then you might know that I love smartwatches and I never miss a chance to use and test them. A few weeks back, Pebble, an accessories brand from India, sent us this smartwatch called the Pebble Cosmos that retails for some 4,000 rupees in India. Now, while most of the affordable wearables offer only the most basic fitness tracking features, the Pebble Cosmos that I have right here has a few extra interesting things going on. Before that, let's quickly unbox this tin can to see what all you get inside. First, there's the watch itself, and then we get the compatible 2-pin magnetic charger. Below it, we get some paperwork, and well, that's about it for the contents inside the box. But wait a minute, there's one more thing that I want to share. Since the company sent us 4 of these watches, we thought why not give it away. Hence, we are giving away 4 of the Pebble Cosmos to 4 of our lucky followers. All you have to do is subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, and like this video. I will announce the winner in a week on our Twitter page. Anyway, starting the review with its design, the Pebble Cosmos, like many others, is clearly inspired by the Apple Watch. But that's not necessarily a bad thing since the watch looks good. It has a rectangular case with a button on the right, a built-in speaker, and a microphone on the sides. In terms of build quality, Pebble has used metal casing here, which means the watch is on the relatively heavy side of things. By the way, the Pebble Cosmos comes in black, blue, and gold color options. While the black and blue variants arrive with the straps of the same color, the gold model offers an elegant burgundy colored band. Apart from the single strap that comes inside the box, you can buy additional bands if you want to mix up the style. Throughout my 3 weeks of usage, I found it to be fairly comfortable while it hasn't invited any issues like skin irritation or allergies either. Now, although its design is pretty impressive, I have to say the biggest compromise on this smartwatch is its display. Here, its TFT display isn't that sharp or bright compared to other budget smartwatches that I've tested in the past. The colors look washed out and undersaturated when looking at it from a direct line of sight. There's also no ambient light sensor to automatically adjust the brightness on this smartwatch either. So yeah, a pretty average display. Okay, moving on, when it comes to watch faces, I had to scroll through a bunch of them before landing on the one that looked somewhat compelling on this mediocre screen. In addition, the animations and scrolling gestures are not particularly fluid either. And you'll even notice a hint of jelly scrolling effect when navigating its UI. Anyway, getting around the Pebble Cosmos is no hassle. A simple swipe to the left opens up the app drawer, swiping to the bottom shows your messages and notifications. Swiping from the top brings up the quick settings shade, whereas all your apps and health monitoring widgets are a simple right swipe away. Over to the connectivity front, the Cosmos features Bluetooth 5.0 and pairs with your smartphone via the Fit app, which is available for both Android and iOS devices. As you can see, it offers a simple and easy-to-use interface. However, what makes the Pebble Cosmos unique in a budget smartwatch category is its hardware features. Along with things like step tracking, SpO2, and heart rate monitoring, this watch can even record your body temperature and blood pressure. I compared it with infrared thermometers, and the body temperature numbers from these 2 devices are impressively close. However, for the blood pressure readings, considering its budget nature, lack of validation from any medical association, and a myriad of other factors, I would not count on it. Moving on, the Pebble Cosmos has one more perk up its sleeve, which is the ability to make or receive a call from the watch itself. And unless you're in a crowded environment, the audio from the speakers is quite loud and clear. Getting to the battery life, I was able to get around a week of battery life by triggering all the features such as continuous heart rate and temperature monitoring. You can charge this watch using the 2-pin magnetic connector that fully juices it up in about 2.5 hours. Okay, wrapping up, as you might have gathered already, the Pebble Cosmos is a basic budget smartwatch and nothing more. And surely in this price range, you will get plenty of similar options too. But the company has made sure to stand out by the inclusion of features like an inbuilt microphone and a body temperature monitor. And if you think about it, these features can really come in handy. So yeah, for what it's worth, the Pebble Cosmos is definitely one of the good options if you're looking for a decent budget smartwatch. So guys, that was all for this video. We will be coming up with reviews of more exciting products and a lot of other giveaways as well. So stay tuned to our channel by subscribing and hitting that bell icon. Till then, I'm Pratima and I'll see you in the next video.